Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Bee, and welcome to another ride along. So this is day 2 of my road to Top Dasher. So I am bringing you along with me again today. So my analysis of day 1 is that I spent more money on gas, drove more miles, and made less money. That's what happened yesterday. So I'm sure the next few days are going to be just like that one. So I am not expecting much. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to do as much talking. So hold on tight and let's get these wheels moving. Hello.
Hello.
I'm actually picking up a Doordash order for Kiana.
Alright, that right here for you. Here you go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Doordash for Kiana. That's you? Okay.
Thank you so much.
You. Have a good one. So DoorDash gave me a stacked order. I had the $275, and then they gave me this one for $525. And then when I dropped off the $275 one, the $525 was no longer there. So I don't know what happened to it. But I'm not doing that one. Picking it for Teresa.
There you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Back to my zone. So that order that I mysteriously lost earlier, it also knocked my completion rate down a percentage. So I don't have any idea what happened with that, but I'm not happy about it. Now I'm down to 96%. I'm picking up a DoorDash order for James W.
Okay, go for it.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. Hi, I'm picking up an order for Chris, Doordash.
Chris Doordash?
Yep, Kristen. Do you happen to have a drink carrier that I could? Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Oh, hi. How are you? Good.
Thanks a lot.
Salad. Yeah. There you go. Thank you so
Thanks a
much.
lot.
Have a good one. Lori. Lori H.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, for Lori. Is that you? Is that some? It is. Okay. There you go. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Thanks. Thank you. You too. Finally, a decent order. I just had my first hidden tip since I started going for Top Dasher. Woohoo! I got another hidden tip. All I can say is it's about time they start sending me some of those. Great, thank you. All right, have a good one. You too. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Thanks so much.
Sure. Thank you. All right, you have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. Hi, Seth.
They had a diet Dr. Pepper.
All right, thank you. This is so painful, guys. Wow, there wasn't even a tip on that one. Alright, so I almost didn't catch this delivery. It's picking up at Papa Murphy's, but I did not get a screenshot of the actual offer. So I don't know how many miles it is. I know it's for $6.84, but that's all the information I have on it. So I'm headed to the restaurant now. Let's go get it. Brandon? Huh?
2 8-piece nuggets, patty fry, and 2 Whopper meal. You know, I think it might be Brandon.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That's funny.
2 trays stacked onto each other, so now we get
So it
some
makes
more
it, I
sturdier.
got you. And do we have straws or do I need to grab them?
Yeah. That's why some people just like to just use 1 tray, but I just think it's stupid because
Oh,
if you have
this
bigger
is-
drinks and it just...
This is way sturdier, yes. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm done with Doordash for the day, so looks like I did $151.99 in a little over 10 hours, which is just horrible. I mean, it's just horrible. I keep trying to think of a better way to do this so I can make more money, but I'm afraid to throw anything else in because it's taking me so long to get that many deliveries for the day. It is better than yesterday, which is good, but not by much. Looks like I ended up with a 50% acceptance rate and a 96% completion rate. So I'm hoping that my completion rate goes up a little bit because it's pretty dang close. It makes me nervous because today I had that one that disappeared on me, so I lost a % on that. So I'm trying to be really, really careful and very watchful, but I don't know how I lost that one. Maybe I just thought I accepted it and didn't accept it. But if that's the case, then it wouldn't have affected my completion rate because I started out this morning with 97%. So I'm not sure what happened there. But I'm getting there slowly but surely. I'm hoping the 50% might make a little bit of difference, you know, with the types of orders I get. I mean, I know I'm still gonna get crap, but maybe I'll just get higher paying crap, you know, instead of the lower paying crap. I think I could live with that better than what I've been getting. Well, and even today's trips were a little, there was about 3 or 4 of them that were a little bit higher, but the miles were higher too. Alright, so I think that covers everything for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It'd be greatly appreciated. So for now, you guys stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Picking up at Papa John's. It's picking up at Papa Murphy's.